what we have found is that water intake is necessary for optimal immune function, cellular repair, metabolism. Do you advise drinking a gallon of water a day? For some people, yes. So when it comes to water intake, hypernourishment, so our hypernourishment protocol, it's a very specific protocol. It specializes in the nutrition and hydration that optimizes your body's ability to repair damage to cells and get your anti-inflammatory immune system as functional as possible. So it's not specific to disease, but really cellular repair. And what we have found is that water intake is necessary for optimal immune function, cellular repair, metabolism, your ability to lose fat, gain muscle. All of those things really rely on optimal hydration. And in hypernourishment, we take that to the max. Now, how much water a person should drink has not only to do with their goals, but also their weight. We don't want to drop people's sodium levels, so their weight and also their kidney function, their heart function. So I can't personalize that to you, but for someone who is healthy and over 120 pounds, a gallon of water a day is a great idea. Make sure you do have some sodium in your diet so you don't get woozy, but that can be a great idea. For someone who's 100 pounds, an ounce per pound is usually a better idea. Again, make sure you have sodium intake to counteract the increase in your water. A lot of times people get healthy, they decide to drink a ton of water and they stop all sodium intake, and again, that can make you woozy among other things. So if for someone who's otherwise healthy and over 120 pounds, then yes, a gallon's the way to go. If you're smaller, then an ounce per pound is probably a safer bet, as long as you don't have kidney function issues or heart issues where your doctor has told you to limit your water intake. I do personalize those numbers for people depending on their organ function.